Welcome to the cutting edge of robotics management with Tech Cloud ERP. Revolutionize your operations and stay ahead in the rapidly evolving robotics industry. In a sector where precision and innovation drive success, Tech Cloud ERP offers a comprehensive solution tailored for robotics companies. Our cloud-based system integrates seamlessly into your workflow, enhancing efficiency across the board. Centralized data management. Consolidate all your data in one place. From inventory tracking and project management to supply chain oversight, manage it all effortlessly with Tech Cloud ERP. Remote access. Stay connected with your operations anytime, anywhere. Our cloud-based solution ensures you have access to critical information, no matter where your team is working. Inventory optimization. Keep your parts and components in check with real-time inventory tracking. Automated alerts help you avoid stockouts and overstocking, ensuring you always have what you need. Project management. Monitor project progress with comprehensive tracking tools. From initial design to final deployment, our ERP system keeps every stage on schedule and within budget. Advanced analytics. Gain valuable insights with powerful analytics. Identify trends, predict outcomes, and make informed decisions to drive your business forward. Scalable solutions. Whether you're working in automotive, healthcare, or any other industry, Tech Cloud ERP scales with your needs. Customize and adapt the system to fit your specific requirements. Dedicated support. Our expert support team is always ready to assist. From setup and training to ongoing support, we're here to ensure you get the most out of Tech Cloud ERP. Proven success. Join the ranks of successful robotics companies that have transformed their operations with Tech Cloud ERP. Discover how our solution has made a difference for industry leaders. Experience the future of robotics management today. Contact us to learn how Tech Cloud ERP can optimize your operations and drive innovation in your business.